In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send GIFs on WhatsApp Web. Start by opening your browser and searching for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result to open it. You'll see a large QR code on the page. This is how you connect your computer to your WhatsApp account. On your phone, open WhatsApp, go to the option for linking devices, and use the camera to scan the QR code on your computer screen. In a second or two, your chats will appear on WhatsApp Web, mirroring what you have on your phone. Next, open the chat where you want to send a GIF. This could be an individual conversation or a group. At the bottom of the chat window, look to the right of the text box for the smiley face icon. Click it to open the panel that contains emojis, stickers, and GIFs. Along the bottom of that panel, click the GIF tab. You'll now see trending GIFs and a search bar. Type a keyword like happy, excited, or thumbs up to find a specific animation, or simply browse what's suggested. Click a GIF to preview it in your message area. If you want, add a caption in the text box, then click the green Send button or press Enter to share it with your chat. If you already have a GIF saved on your computer, you can send it as a media file. First, select your recipient by opening the chat where you want to share the file. Then, click the plus icon next to the message field. Depending on your layout, it may appear on the left or the right of the text area. From the menu that appears, choose Photos and Videos. A file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your .gif file is saved, select it, and click Open. WhatsApp will treat the file correctly as a video or looping GIF and show you a preview. If everything looks right, click the green Send button or press Enter to deliver it. A few quick tips as you go. Make sure your phone stays connected to the internet while using WhatsApp Web, since it syncs with your mobile app. If you don't immediately see the GIF tab, expand the emoji panel and check along the bottom row. And when searching for GIFs, try simple keywords to get the best results. That's it. You now know 2 easy ways to send GIFs on WhatsApp Web, either from the built-in GIF library or from files saved on your computer.